Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Daily use simple sentences for kids. Repeat after me. Brush your teeth before you go to bed. Brush your teeth before you go to bed. Brush your teeth before you go to bed. I was not expecting this from you. I was not expecting this for you. I was not expecting this from you. You know you are getting late. You know you are getting late. You know you are getting late. Do you want to know a secret of success? Do you want to know a secret of success? Do you want to know a secret of success? That's not like a good boy. That's not like a good boy. That's not like a good boy. Who loves you more, your mom or father? Who loves you more, your mom or father? Who loves you more, your mom or father? Fill up the ink in the pen. Fill up the ink in the pen. Fill up the ink in the pen. Please give me peace of mind. Please give me peace of mind. Please give me peace of mind. Stay neat and clean always. Stay neat and clean always. Stay neat and clean always. Do you love watching cartoons? Do you love watching cartoons? Do you love watching cartoons? There is no way. There is no way. There is no way. Whose child is this? Whose child is this? Whose child is this?